welcome to my channel, and let's start the album. Now I just give a little bit of time to dry these things, and I just go with my score tool little bit, just press to see that it's get nicely stuck, and you can see the corners are stuck, and here we can put that pocket which I'm talking about. And then if you see this instructions, they give the page by page instructions. So for the first one, they already tell which material we need, and this one white, these frames they are giving white paper we have to use from ours, the foam dots, the foam tapes and other glue, but everything else is given in the kit. So I will show you what I mean is, so they give all of this. Now we have to just figure it out which one is the we have to put there. So this, I think we need one of the bigger one, the pink memory ticket, as well as half of it, and this, that much we needed for now. For the first page, I'm gonna put this page something like that, so you can see and still it not overwhelming to see all the stuff. So these stuff we needed, as well as these frames. So these frames will come under these pages, so they gave all of these pages, and I'm gonna remove them, and some washi tapes also. So these are kind of a washi tapes. I'm gonna put those washi tapes aside, and these are the frames for the first page. So I'm gonna put it like, I'm not opening everything at this time. I will go step by step. The first page, I will do the first page. I'm just poking all these images and making them apart to create the same kind of memory. And what I'm talking is, if this is the, okay, I'll show you. If this is the frame, this frame is here, which is kind of 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. So you have to just put the white behind it, because they didn't give that white stuff. So you can use any paper behind it, and you can stick the photo. So I have already print out some photos in my home printer. This is my mom and my aunt and my kid, and I want to put those photos. So when you are creating album for someone, like I can put this or this, I know this will look good here, and I will see the color combinations also at the same time, that what I want to use. I just scribble out all of these, and then I will assemble. So it took me a little bit more time to select the photos, and I don't have the same size photos also, because I just make them collage and then I do it. But if you're doing, then it's a little bit tricky, although 3x3 photos are more. So you can print them from somewhere else. So there is a one paper here which we have to add, and that is 8x2 and 3/4. So this paper is already 8, so I have to cut it 2 and 3/4. So this is my 2, and I will cut at half, and this is 3/4. Okay, now they have the pretty sides. You can choose anything you want from them, and there are a couple of papers come, as well as these washi tapes which we will use. So first I'm gonna put the instructions away, and then we can put this paper or this paper also. We can just lay out the stuff we want to put, something like that. It goes inside. I'm planning to put this photo here, one photo here because it's gonna hide away, another one here, and then another one here. So blue looks good for me, but I can see that how this looks, or I can try a couple of more by just putting them like this or this, but I think blue look the most awesome. So I will stick the blue. Oh sorry, I have to stick on this side. So here, this is not, I don't want to make it much interactive, but you can make I'll show you that also. While making one page, I will show you how to do that. I'm just putting this paper here. Then if you see, there are few slits. If you saw on behind, you will see that. Then you have to find the way to peel that out. Okay, so I just peeling this. So it is kind of sticker or washi tip kind of stuff, which you can just put here to break the rhythm, because these two pages are separated. Then for using this, I will just fold little bit. You will get little bit fold here so that you can stuck the elements inside, and I will put the glue only in between, and I will put it at here. And I have to put this also. I just make a little bit of instruction there, and then I'm gonna put it here little bit. Then for this, I don't want the full, so I will just cut, and that goes behind somewhere here. I'll stick that fully. And then if you see here, these photos are overlapping. You can use the foam dots for that, or foam tapes for that overlap sections. So for here, I don't think so I will stuck anything inside, so I'm gonna stick that really nicely, because when I put the glue dots or the foam tape on them, it will pop a little bit up. Okay, so I want a really nice. Here also I can put exactly here the glue. Still my all the other sides are open, so I can tuck those flowers inside or something like that. And then I can put this frame here. This goes underneath this frame, something like that. So, and then one frame goes here, something like this. This memories goes inside it. So now you can create a pocket all around it there, so that someone can write inside that memories, and you can put the glue all around it, or you can use the tape or foam dots for that. And I will show you. I'll use this foam thin tape. This is also from the scrapbook.com, and how I will do it is I'll just put first this photo, the uppermost, this 3x3 photo. See which side is top. I'm gonna put the tape all around the side, so that memory can, just stuck inside. You don't have to stick that, because someone can write on that, right? So I will put this here. Okay, somewhere here, and then I can just stick this inside. You don't have to stuck. It's kind of a pocket. If you want, you can add more. Then I will stick this also. For this, I should use the foam tape or not, I don't know, but I think if you don't want to use foam tape, you can use directly a foam sheet, and or a cardstock, the heavy cardstock, or these kind of foam sheets. These kind of foam sheets. I'll just snip off excess, put that, and then I'll put the glue. That give little bit strength to the photos also. If you don't want to do that, what you can do, you can just put the, and it is little bit offside, it's not exactly there, and then you can put this here, which will go something like that. Okay, and then I'll get my another photo exactly here somewhere. or I can just cut that in a half. That also makes sense. And after this I want to put this photo, which is kind of, no, this is having dimension, so it will go thing up and down, something like that. Or I can put more foam on the back. So I'm just using the same foam, whatever is left there, and then you can use a foam dot also, and then we will stick all our stuff. Sometimes your photo, like this photo, I don't have the full photo, but I will try to make out of it. And now I have to pop this photo here. Okay, so I'll make it here. So I need to pop this photo. Again, I can use a foam sheet or just foam dots. Actually, don't use the more thickness stuff. Try to make it little bit on, because we don't want to make those pages more hard, because we don't have much room. And then I will put this here, and no, if you see in the original, they put the one here, something like that, but I don't like that way because it's obstructing the face there. So I will put that here. And now it's time to add all those fun things which came in the kit. So now you can see on the fourth step they put all the stuff like these good together, and that before that I have to add that big greenery. I think this is that greenery. Okay, so I'm planning to add this greenery. I'll add little bit of glue and just add it. So I'm taking more time than it's needed because I'm choosing the photos and which photo looks good and something like that. But if you're just making the album just like that, I don't think so you will need that much time. You will be okay with whatever time you have. And then I can put this photo somewhere here. Okay, something like that. I can just chop off that excess here and then just put the photo, and then whatever is left on this I can just stuck here somewhere, so it will look like a part of it. Then they have more stuff like this. I can put here. This goes, I think, here somewhere like that. This is here. So I'm trying to figure it out that where all this stuff goes, and then when I'll see, okay, I'm happy whatever it's giving in the instructions, then I will stuck that just like that. I have more greenery. I don't know where to put those greenery, and I can put this bird. They put the bird here, but I can put the bird here, and I can put this greenery here. So you can just mix and match the things, but you will get the basic idea here. It's a kind of stuff. Okay, I can put, it's a kind of stuff you have to imagine and see. They give a little bit more also, so that if you want to add, I hope we don't use them again in the other side. And then I can put here one butterfly. For butterflies I always fold them and I just put here glue so that they are kind of popping or spreading their wings. That is the one trick I loved. And I can put this butterfly here somewhere. So I think that is the page. We are done here. I'll put the photos at the end when I'm done with it, just sticking all the stuff, and then we'll move to next page. But page by page, I don't think so I have to show you how I stick all of them. It's pretty easy to do that, and you can stick, and I'll show you the final product in the next video.